kids study and fun zone. Today we learn about pronoun. Let's learn. Pronoun. A pronoun is word used instead of a noun. Example: she, he, her, his, they, them, etc. Kinds of pronoun. There are 7 kinds of pronoun: personal pronoun, reflexive pronoun, demonstrative pronoun, indefinite pronoun, distributive pronoun, interrogative pronoun, relative pronoun. Personal pronoun. The pronouns which refer to the person or persons speaking are called pronouns of the first person, as I, we, me, us, mine, ours. The pronouns which refer to the person or persons spoken to are called pronouns of the second person, as thou, thee, you, yours. The pronouns which refer to the person or thing spoken of are called pronouns of the third person, as he, she, him, her, hers, they, them, theirs, it. Reflexive pronoun. The pronouns myself, ourselves, yourself, yourselves, himself, herself, themselves, itself behave like object to the verbs, but they refer to the same persons as the subjects of the verbs. Such pronouns are called reflexive pronoun. Example: he himself told me this. I blame myself for it. Demonstrative pronoun. The pronouns these, that, those, such are used to point out the object or objects for which they are used. These and these refer to things near at hand. That and those refer to things lying at the distance. They are called demonstrative pronouns. Example: this is my pencil. That is my book. Indefinite pronoun. The pronouns all, some, many, few, one, none, others refer to the person or things in a general way. They do not refer to any particular person or thing. Such pronouns are called indefinite pronouns. Example: all are happy, few are rich, do good to others. Distributive pronoun. The pronouns each, either, neither refer to a number of persons or things, one at a time. Such pronouns are called distributive pronouns. Example: each of the boys was given a prize. Either of the two pens will do. Neither of these statements is true. Interrogative pronoun. The pronouns who, what, which, whom, whose are used for asking questions are called interrogative pronouns. Example: who made that noise? What is the matter? Whose is this pen? Relative pronoun. The pronouns who, whom, which and that which join two sentences and refer back to nouns going before them are called relative pronoun. Example: the boy who works hard succeeds. The horse which won the race is Bali's. He is the wisest man that ever lived.